In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find lost or missing files in OneDrive. Losing track of files can be frustrating, but don't worry, I'll guide you through some easy steps to track them down, ensuring you're back on track in just 5 minutes. First, let's begin by logging into your Microsoft account. You can do this by navigating to the Microsoft sign-in page, entering your credentials, and getting your account ready. This step sets the foundation for accessing all your OneDrive files and ensures that you'll be able to follow along seamlessly with the steps to come. Once you're signed in, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the app launcher. Typically, this can be found in the upper left corner of your Microsoft account's homepage. Click on the app launcher icon to reveal a drop-down menu showing various Microsoft applications. From this list, you will need to select OneDrive. Clicking on it will take you to your OneDrive storage, where we're going to start hunting for those elusive files. One handy feature within OneDrive is the search functionality. At the top of the page, you'll notice a search bar labeled Search Everything. Here you can enter the name of the file you're looking for. Sometimes a simple search is all that's needed to bring up your missing file. It's a quick and efficient way to see if the file is indeed stored under your account, but perhaps just placed within an unexpected folder. Now, if you suspect the file might have been accidentally deleted, don't worry. OneDrive has a recycle bin acting as a safety net for mistakenly deleted files. You can access the recycle bin from the left-hand menu on your OneDrive page. Open it up and have a look for your file. If you find it there, simply select it and click Restore. This will return it to its original location in your OneDrive storage. If you're still at a loss, consider heading over to the My Files section. Sometimes files can be organized in a way that's not immediately obvious, so it's a good idea to carefully check through your various folders to see if the file is there. Additionally, it's worth exploring your personal vault if you use one. Occasionally, files that require extra security may have been stored there, especially if they're sensitive. Make sure to check it just in case. Finally, double check you're logged into the correct Microsoft account. It's surprisingly easy to have multiple accounts if you use Microsoft for different aspects of your digital life. Ensuring you're in the right account might solve the mystery of missing files. By following these steps, you should be able to locate your files and get them back in your hands quickly. Thanks for watching and good luck finding those files.